Hello everyone and welcome to our postgraduate series. Here I am again on our LRC Greens, and today I have with me Dr. Ruel Ellis, a lecturer in our Faculty of Engineering, who's going to tell us all about the Masters in Project Management. Hello Dr. Ellis.
Hello Nataki.
I want you to chat with me today about the Master's program in Project Management, because I know that as a professional, a marketing professional, an operations manager, nearly as any type of professional, the Project Management Masters will help you elevate your career. Can you tell me how we can do that?
Well, in terms of applying project management, it's applicable in almost every field. Project management provides you a structured process for engaging almost any task which you have to undertake. It allows you to be able to subdivide it, calculate your resources, your time, your people, your materials, whatever is necessary to execute the project. And that could be, as you said, in just about any professional field.
In your experience, what type of professionals from what industries have passed through the program already? Like marketing persons like myself?
In our program here at the UWI, we have had people from banking, education, marketing, government, military, teachers.
Wow.
We've had people from different arms of the United Nations. We have had a full gamut in that it is not just an engineering project management program, but it caters for general industry, general professionals.
That's wide and very varied.
Yes.
What type of courses? Like, I know the courses are, as you said, wide, and it's quite an array of things. What courses do you do? Like, for example, what in the MSc project?
In the MSc project, we try to cover the basics as defined by the Project Management Institute in terms of the project planning, the scheduling, project and program management, HR, leadership, accounting, finance, contract law, procurement. We cover just about everything that impinges on the project management environment from a systems perspective.
Okay, it sounds as if it's something that I need to look into.
We'd welcome you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ellis. And thank you guys for listening to us for our postgraduate series. Signing off for today.